Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a product template in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you need to go ahead and log into your Shopify account. So after logging into your account, now you'll be greeted by this homepage right here where at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with making a product template. Basically, what we're going to do is open up the online store section right here under sales channels. Clicking online store, that's automatically going to open up this theme section right here where we can take a look at our theme and we can get started with customizing it. So what I'm going to do is click the customize button right here next to our theme, and after clicking the customize button, this is now going to open up this new editing menu of our page where we can get started editing our header, template, footer, and so on. So basically guys, what we want to do right here at the top of the screen is click on this section right here that says homepage. You want to click on homepage. This is now going to open up this new menu with a lot of options we can access, and one of the options is going to be called products. So guys, if you click on products, this is now going to open up this new menu of your products and your default product, and what you can do is go ahead and create a template. So if you click create a template guys, you can see here you can go ahead and give it a name it whatever, and you can go ahead and click on what you want to base it on. You can see you can base it on your default product, and after that you can just go ahead and click on create template, and it's automatically going to add a product template right here that you can then use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.